Yo, Wagwan. So, you complimented that girl and it didn't work out. You pulled up, you say, hi, you're so beautiful. Oh, you're gorgeous. Oh, you're like an angel. And you thought that was going to get you somewhere. Well, guess what, buddy? You took 3 steps back. Because guess what? She's already getting those compliments. She's already getting the same boring old compliments. But this is why I'm here. I'm here to tell you the best way to compliment a woman. Now, everyone generally thinks a compliment is just like, "Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, you have a gorgeous face. Oh, oh, you have an amazing body." But those are compliments that are too general. Those are compliments that every guy can tell her, that every guy actually does tell her. But when you make this one little tweak and you make this one little change, it's going to make your compliments hit harder and stick in her mind a lot more. She's not going to forget about that compliment. She's not going to forget about you. So, let's get right into it. How to compliment a woman properly. So, the key here, and I want to emphasize this, the key here is compliment her on something that's variable. Now, here's what I mean by this. You may think, oh, variables, oh my God, it's math again? No. Variable, something that is not permanent on her. Don't comment on, how beautiful her face is or how her body is. Don't comment on those things. Those are comments that you can do later down the line, right? Obviously, once she starts liking you, she starts feeling you, and you want to just say, you're in the mood or whatever it is, and you get those compliments out, you can't dish those out too much. But here's the thing. You have to compliment her on something she puts effort into. So, for example, she puts effort into her makeup. She puts effort into, let's say, her hobbies. She has some other underlying characteristics such as, she has knowledge or something within her personality that is different from all the other girls, right? So the goal here is to make her feel special, to make her stand out. Because the thing is, even though you know off the bat that you're trying to get in the guts, you're trying to get up in her large intestines or her small intestines, if that's all you can fit, right? But you're trying to get up in the guts. You already know that off the bat. That's why you're talking to her in the first place. But the thing is, she knows that too. And she knows every guy that's talking to her is trying to get in her guts. So, what does that mean? You tell me. What does that mean? I should probably even play Jeopardy music right now because a lot of guys don't even get this. The simple thing is, you want to make her stand out that she's different from the other girls. So, by complimenting on how she does her makeup, or some attribute that she actually put effort into, like complimenting her intelligence, if she's intelligent, right? Don't give a girl a compliment that is not real. Don't tell her she's smart when she's a dummy. She's gonna know you're fucking lying. Don't lie. But give her a real, genuine compliment of something that she actually has to put effort into. Be like, okay, cool, I fuck with your style. I fuck with your look. I fuck with your makeup. Oh, I like that little thing. Or one thing, and here's the big piece. Here's something I do, and that it works really well because it shows how perceptive you are. And as a guy, you have to be perceptive. You have to figure out how to observe things and pay attention to what she's doing. That's a big piece of game. So the thing that I normally say, and it's not always, but if I notice it, is, oh, oh, I like how you're matching your jacket with your shoes, or your earrings with your the color of your shirt, right? These things matter because obviously she's doing that to make it like a style or make herself feel special. And most people aren't gonna notice those things. They might notice, okay, she looks good, right? But they won't notice the little details of the things she actually does. So you have to put yourself in a position to notice those details. So in previous situations, I've talked to a decent amount of girls, right? And each time, for example, I've noticed when girls wear certain earrings. There's girls I've seen wear like little turtle earrings. She had like a little turtle earring, right? With like a light blue color, and the light blue was matching some other light blue she was wearing. And I was just saying, oh, you seem like you like turtles, huh? Like you have the turtle earrings, you have the turtle whatever, right? And it's like, oh, maybe blue is your color, right? Pointing those things out and showing you're more perceptive than just trying to get in the guts, even though you are trying to beat that shit down like mashed potatoes. You're you're not supposed to, right? You don't have to. But if you really want to make this shit work, do what I'm saying. Tell her something that's different. That's the thing. Women want to feel special, but you have to make them feel special in the right way. So by telling her something that's unique to her, that makes her feel special because she put an effort to make that compliment mean something, right? And the reason it's so powerful is because she worked for it. That's the difference. So you're pointing out something that she worked for. A lot of women don't value things that they don't work for. And that goes for people in general. But with women, if they get free compliments all day, every day, nonstop, boom, here's my dick, here's my dick, here's my dick, take more dick, take more dick. You want to go out to dinner? Take more dick. But when you point out something that she put an effort into, it's like she's making the first move so you can come in, capitalize off of what she's done, and get it like that. Be more perceptive. That's the thing. That's what game is. Game is being more aware, socially perceptive. Women are more socially perceptive than men usually. But the guys with really good game or really good with women, they are able to understand how women think. They're able to put themselves in the lens of, all right, cool, this is probably what she's seeing. This is what she's experiencing. This is the things that's probably going through her head at this moment. This is why she did that thing. These are game tactics. Now, it may sound a little woo-woo. It may sound a little soft, right? Like, oh, no, like, oh, I'm going to compliment her on how good her earrings look, on how it matches her shirt, right? And instead of being like, yo, shorty, you mad sexy, right? Instead of saying that, I'm telling her, oh, like, damn, shorty, you look good. You don't have to say it in a fucking soft way, dude. You can say soft things in a masculine way. That's going to be a different video. But the point is, point out something that she had to work for. Give her a compliment on those things. Don't give her compliments on things she hasn't had any control over. She didn't have any control over genetics. She didn't have any control of those things that are just naturally inherent to her. She didn't have control over, her facial structure. She didn't have control over how big her chest is. She didn't have control over those things. But she has control over how she dresses that day. She has control over the accessories she wears. She has control over how intelligent or knowledgeable she is on a certain topic. She has control over certain different aspects of herself as an individual. And you have to treat her the girl you're going after as an individual. And that's how you make these compliments work. Stop giving bullshit general compliments that you give to everyone. Give more personalized, specific compliments. The same way, if someone you meet randomly remembers your name, right? You met him one time and you meet him a second time and they remember your name and you're like, oh shit. Oh, it makes you feel special, right? They notice something unique about you and they give you a compliment of like, oh, I like your shoes. And as a guy, you feel like, oh shit, I'm fresh, I'm good, I'm lit. Do the same thing. It works just the same. And if anything, it works even better. Especially when you're around people with no fucking game. When you're around people that don't know how to interact and talk. The things you say can go a whole lot further if you know what to say and how to say it. It's more about how to say it, but you can't deny the fact that if you say the wrong thing, even in a good way, it could still fuck you up. So, that's basically it. Be sure to apply everything I've said in this video. Go ahead, go out and try it. Make an individual observation of this girl, right? Go talk, give her a compliment. It doesn't even have to be a girl you're interested in. Make it some random girl. Make it your female friend. Make it some girl at your gym, or like someone you come across at the store that's cashing out the veggies that you're buying for whatever reason, right? No, by all means, eat your veggies. Just try it out and see for yourself. And once you try it out, then you come back to the video and comment and be like, oh yeah, it worked, it didn't work. And if I'm bullshitting and I'm telling you bullshit and I'm telling you shit that does not work, you can call me out. Come call me out. Dislike the video, call me out and be like, yo, you piece of shit. This girl treated me like garbage. And I'll listen. And, you know, like, I'm going to be responsible and be like, you know what? You're right. I have no game. But that's not the case. Apply it and then come back to the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. And remember to stay official. Peace.